Friday. So today, guys, it's going to be an amazing day. Hopefully, guys, we can find something great. If not, as always, we've been blessed and we've been blessed with a lot more. So guys, let's get started with our dumpster diving adventure. Let's see what we have over here on top of the can. Oh, nothing. I see something over there on top of the can. Let's see what that is. Let's go over there and take a looky. A bag. Let's get out and look at it. Let's get out and take a look. Oh, this is a nice bag too. Victorinox. Does it work? It does. No, it's pretty. Let's see. Oh, this part. Oh no, it's working. Okay, we'll take it. Alright, cool. Let's take that. Look at the pumpkin with the little truck on it. It's too cute. We got a bunch of serving utensils down here on the floor. We'll take those, well, the ground rather. We'll take those and give them to somebody. Donate them. Ooh, shit. We have some more Medline medical products, but this is Malik. It's a heel bandage. Take that. These boxes are empty. We'll leave those here. I am gonna take those heel bandages. Some cutting boards. Take these. I'll probably get a few bucks for these. I'm not sure how much I can get, but I'm definitely going to do my research online. And these are all new, never been used, never been opened. So that's a great thing. All right, y'all. Let's keep it moving. Look at this, you guys. We have a nice desk here. I wonder why they threw it out. Oh, the screws are missing. Unless these are the screws. Somebody can use this desk. This is a nice desk. Is it broken? I actually like this desk, y'all. Hopefully somebody will come by and get it, because I'm not going to put it together. We got paint. It's messed up right here. Oh, I'm going to leave it here, y'all. I'm not going to take it. I'll leave it here. All right, y'all. So we are back over here in this area where they are cleaning out this home. Let's see what they have over here today. Let's see if it's the same stuff. No, something different. Wait, is this the same stuff that I had the last time? Yeah, that's the same stuff right there. Okay. Check over here. The same Ugg boot. Yep, they didn't do anything different. Get that up. They didn't put anything else out here. Anything new. Wait, this might be new. Oh, those are leaves. Let's look over here. Leaves. Yep, okay. Leaves and leaves. All right, so we'll come back over here next week to see what they do out. That was new. Okay. All right, what is this over here on top of the cayenne, honey? Some type of basketball toy. Yep, but it's damaged. Don't want that. Some Cheerios. Okay. Somebody said bump it. I don't want it at all. I don't want none of it. And threw out the whole thing, child. We have a hoodie. Stranger Things. I'm going to take that. We have a little shirt there. And we have a whole pie, honey. A bean pie. Big bang pie. They left it out there, I guess, for somebody to get it and eat it, child. They mean well. What's this? Cinnamon cannabis pre-rolls. Let's see what's in there. Could be some money in here. Nothing is empty. Oh, I can keep this for my eggs. Put this in the refrigerator. You have a wine rack here. What else is in here? We have some nice looking pants from Zara, a size small. Haley might want those. Oh, shoot now. A pillow. Don't want that. What else? An espresso. Okay. What is this over here? Is this a jacket? My husband is looking for a jacket. It is. It's a vest. Nice vest. True classic, size small. It's too small for him, but this is nice. Make sure we don't have any money in the pockets. No? All right. Let's go. Like we have a kid's little store right here, or a kid's set. There's too many parts. I'm not gonna take it though. I'm gonna keep it there. I would take it and sell it to Once Upon a Child, but it's just way too many parts to assemble. What's in here? It's empty. Nice box though. Okay. Yeah, I wish I could assemble that, but I'm not about to do all that. I'm not even gonna act like I am. Look at this painting. Not my cup of tea, but somebody may want it. The canvas, I'll take it. Yeah, somebody may want it. Look at this, you guys. You have a vacuum on top of the can, but this is all messed up. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. We gotta the holes. Yeah, okay. Hopefully a scrapper will come by and get this. That's a nice wreath. Speaker? No, it's a wall mount. Somebody might want that. Came with the tools and yeah, the little buttons, bolts, and nuts. I'll take it. All the little espresso pots. Pumpkins. What is that? Some type of wooden piece to a desk. Let's see. Let's get outside. No, a table. We got some Thanksgiving decor over here, you guys, and that we do. We'll keep this for next year. I like that, honey. All right, that'll be a nice centerpiece for the table. Yep, I like that. Cool. So guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Make sure you leave comments down in the comments section because I enjoy interacting with you guys. Also, guys, if you are not aware, I have another YouTube channel. And on that channel, guys, you will see my family and I interacting with one another, as well as me doing various things that I decided not to do on this channel. So guys, if you're interested, make sure you look down in the comment section. I left the link for you there. Also, guys, I am a published author. That's right, guys. I have a great book, guys. And I would love for you to check it out. Make sure, guys, you check your local Barnes & Noble. You go on Amazon and look for the title, Finding Your Treasure. And guess what? The book is even an audiobook with Google Play as well as Audible. Again, look under the title, Finding Your Treasure, and you will be able to see my book. And as always, guys, I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. I'm on a mission to serve in whatever capacity the Lord sees fit. I had no idea I'd globally impact the world. I took what others threw away and positively changed minds. People in France, Qatar, the Philippines, and other countries are now following me along on this journey.